I was on my way to work and I got T-boned. By the time I saw that they were actually crossing over from that other opposite lane of traffic and they were already headed into my lane, I kind of like tried to jerk over to the right, but it was just it happened like in a split second. And I just remembered, if you're injured on the go, just call Moe. And so I literally just Googled that, and yeah, that's how I found you guys.
Dealing with insurance companies can be extraordinarily frustrating. But when you call us, it's our goal to handle everything for you so that you only focus on your recovery. At the end of the day, after an accident, you want to get better. Let us handle the rest.
I feel like that whole process was extremely easy. Just very, like, I didn't have to lift a finger. Oh, I would definitely recommend you guys. If I had a friend or a family member in an accident, I would suggest just call Moe.